I stopped buying pizza after I learned this Italian recipe. In a 24-centimeter diameter skillet lined with parchment paper, start by adding half a green pepper cut into strips, half a red onion cut into thin strips and spread out with your hands. Then, add 5 slices of pepperoni and 8 slices of smoked sausage. Moving on with our pizza toppings, add 1 Paris mushroom chopped into slices, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 200 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese, 6 slices of provolone cheese. Season with a pinch of Italian seasoning and set aside. Once you've done that, in a medium bowl, add 300 grams of tomato paste, 3 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and give a good mix to combine the seasoning. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. After that, add this sauce to the skillet and spread it with a spoon. Finally, cover everything with a sheet of fresh pizza dough. Tuck it around the edges and spread it evenly. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Take it to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it bake for 35 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.